Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you the Diamond Press Rejoice Sentiment die set. I purchased this on HSN a few weeks ago as part of the Black Friday sale. I purchased it on November 27, 2020. And so you can see here that there are several dies, and then they also come with the shadow layer. 2 pages of dies. So the dies, as Diamond Press does, they come in this black metal. And here's the shadow layer and the text. And so then what I did here was I went and cut all of them out just so that you can get a good look at them. One thing I've learned is that they look a little bit better if you do them tone on tone. So we have Rejoice. And then there is You Are Loved, Faith, Hope, and Loved, Peace, and Strong and Courageous, Fear Not, and Let Your Light Shine. And these are all the ones with the shadow dies. You can kind of see my purple glue a little bit. Didn't dry all the way. And then Faith with a Flourish. So that's those pieces. And then in addition to the words, there are a couple of florals. So we have, you can kind of put it together as they have here. You have your couple of flowers, and then you have the leaves spraying out of it. So this is the Diamond Press Rejoice Sentiment die set. So what I'm going to do now is pull together a quick card for a demonstration using these dies. Okay, now after some serious off-camera deliberations, I think I know where I want to go with this. So I'm going to use the Fear Not, You Are Mine, and it's on yellow, tone on tone. I'll use a 4x6 card base. And then just bringing all of my items together, I went into my Crafter's Companion compendium, and they come with these really nice color matching cards. So since this is yellow, you know, I went to see what colors complement yellow, and so that's how I came up with the purple. Then also I am using the flowers from the Crafter's Companion decoupage. These are, I think, the lilies maybe? I'll have to find out and put it in the comments below. So I will go ahead and start layering this card up. Somewhere in here, I think I also want to work in these yellow pearls that are from my stash as well. So let's just see how this comes out. Okay, there we have it. This is a card using predominantly the Rejoice Sentiment dies from Diamond Press, the Fear Me Not. And then I also used, as for my enhancements and my card planning, the Crafter's Companion. This is actually from the Time for Tea compendium, and it has the color card, so it helped me to see that with the yellow I can match up purple. So we have matte yellow, matte purple. Then we have our sentiment, cream ribbon, cream bows, and then this is the Crafter's Companion decoupage flowers that we've also embellished this card with. So again, this is just making a card using the Rejoice Sentiment dies and then things that we have in our stash. Welcome back. Okay, so I have our second card that we're going to do today with the Rejoice Sentiment being the focal point. And this time we're going to use more elements from that collection. We're going to also use the floral embellishments. Now with this particular color scheme, I'm using a coral, then a coral green and yellow pattern paper, and then a yellow paper. I could actually use any of these sentiments. This tone on tone green or teal color will go, and then also the tone on tone pink and coral. So I'm just going to go with this one, but with this color collection that I'm doing, any of these would go. And again, I just pulled out my color wheel from Crafter's Companion. You know, it just really comes in handy. So here's like our coral colors, and then it has the green in there, so just let you know that you can use those two together. Yeah, so I'm going to now take a minute and pull our card together. Okay, bear with me. I had to pause our video, go off camera, and resecure our text. So I've been using my Goes On Purple Dries Clear Washable Safe, and it's not sticking that good. It's not holding that well. So back to using my Crafter's Companion tacky glue. What's this called? Collall tacky glue. So we have two cards today using the Diamond Press Rejoice Sentiment collection as our focal point or our centerpiece. Then we've also used elements from our stash, Crafter's Companion decoupage, Crafter's Companion paper from one of the compendiums, pearls that we also had in our stash. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit the notifications button, and you can be notified when we do additional videos. Thanks for joining my channel today. Have a good one.